Setting up video recording in OBS Studio. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, a JMV technology support expert. Today, I'll show you how to configure OBS Studio for optimal recording quality and performance. If you're new to OBS Studio, we offer a free comprehensive course. Scan the QR code to access it. In OBS, click Settings, then Output, and choose the Advanced Output mode. Click on the Recording tab. Keep the type as default. In Recording Path, choose where to save your videos. There's an option to create file names without spaces. This might be crucial depending on where you'll use the videos. It's your choice whether to select this. File format offers several options. MP4 is common, but it's not recoverable if corrupted. Power outages or PC issues might cause you to lose MP4 files. In this case, use MKV format and convert to MP4 later. This conversion can be done using OBS itself. Stay till the end of the video, I'll show you how to do it. If you don't have power issues, select MP4, the default on most platforms. For video encoder, if you have a graphics card, you can select it. In my case, I don't have one. But if you do, NVIDIA H264 or AMD H264 will appear in this list. If you don't have one, select X. For audio encoder, keep it as AAC. For audio track, you can leave just one. Leave resize output disabled. Here you can also leave it empty. In auto file splitting, you can split by time or size for smaller files. It's up to you. For bitrate control, leave it on CBR. The bitrate determines your video's image quality. The more you add, the better the quality, but it also increases file size and uses more processing power. For static images like slide presentations, you can use a lower setting. For images with lots of movement, you'll need more bits. For full HD recording, I recommend at least 4000. Test to find the right quality without overloading your machine, especially if you're live streaming. For CPU usage preset, you can set it to fast. Under Profile, select High. Leave the other options empty. Now click on Video. For base and output resolution, set it to your monitor's resolution. For FPS, 30 is fine, but for high motion content like games, use 60. Click Apply and OK, then you can start recording. Use this button to pause and resume if needed. To convert MKV to MP4 in OBS, click File, Convert Recordings, select the video with the 3 dots, and hit Convert. If you need a platform to host your videos, check out JMV Technology's plans. No traffic or view limits, anti-piracy tools, and many exclusive features. For more info, scan the QR code. If you enjoyed this, share, and follow us on social media for similar content.